Hello, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Introducing to you the SNOObear white noise machine, cry-activated plush baby sleep soother in Cocoa Wally. I purchased this bear after hours of research when I was having a hard time getting my baby to sleep. I just happened to stumble across this SNOObear. When I saw that it was designed by Dr. Harvey Karp, a pediatrician who's a white noise guru and author of the popular Happiest Baby and Happiest Toddler Parent guides, I thought, you know what, I may as well just give it a try and see how we go. I was looking for a reliable, soothing sleep aid for my baby and something that could also double as an adorable plush toy. And when I heard of the cry-activated feature, it was particularly appealing as it promised to help soothe my baby back to sleep automatically. And our sleep toy that we did have prior would always turn off, and I was just so sick and tired of looking for it in the night, trying to find where to turn the button back on. I've been using this bear now for the past 7 months, and it has quickly become a top 5 favourite. Teddy of my daughters and mummy and daddy's #1 favourite. It's a lifesaver when it comes to our sanity, especially on those nights when our daughter is unsettled. Even right now while she's teething, it's been a bit difficult to get her to sleep, even after reading books, cuddles, singing those nursery rhymes all night. We know how it gets, and you can always count on the SNOObear's help. Now, the SNOObear is a perfect sleep aid for creating a calming environment that helps my baby drift off to sleep. Some of the features of the SNOObear include its cry-activated white noise I'd mentioned earlier. The function is very reliable. Now, it's got multiple sound settings, which I'll give you a demonstration soon. I also adore its irresistibly cute design. The plush material is just so soft and cuddly, making it a great companion for my baby. The responsive white noise feature is unbelievable. It responds to your baby's cry for more than 3 hours, helping to keep them calm and happy. You can switch the white noise duration from 30 minutes to 60 minutes, providing flexibility based on your baby's needs. Additionally, you can take it on the go thanks to its handy travel strap and the removable white noise box. Which allows you to slip it into your nappy bag for an on-the-go helping hand. Perfect for car rides, pram rides, wherever you might like to go. Now, it does use 2 AA batteries. You just unscrew it down here and just take this down, take that apart. Now, a different sound setting allows me to find the perfect soothing sound for different times of the day. Plus, the plush design means it doubles as a comforting stuffed animal. Now, if I turn my SNOObear around and just pull out this tab down at the back, it is a bit of an instruction manual explaining what to do and how to change the different sounds. Now it says here's a box. So next to the sound box on your right is A, and on the right side is B. So grab A, look at A over here, press it once to hear the sounds. Now it says here, press once A and B. So hold A and B, press A and B to change your sound. So as you can hear, there are different relaxing sounds. a heartbeat, shushing sounds, sounds like rain. There's a shushing sound. So there's a few different sounds to listen to. And if you hold A for 3 seconds, you can turn the volume up or down. So if I spin around the voice box, you'll find the feature to set it on 30 minutes, just pull it down, or to pull it up to get 60 minutes duration time, which is my favourite setting. So that's the voice box there. Nice and small and compact. Easy to slip in your bag or pram, anywhere you might need it. So it goes pretty loud, which is great, especially because when it is in the bear, I have picked up that it's a lot more quieter, as you can hear once I put it back in there. It can be a little bit tricky, but I've found if you put it in at that angle and then push it down, it's a lot easier. There we go. And the last one, if you'd like to pause it, press A twice. So just pop it back in there for you. Just pop him in. Close it up there. From my family to yours, we recommend the SNOObear white noise machine. It's not only effective in helping my baby sleep better, but it's also irresistibly cute and so fun. There are little holes in the back of the bear's arms. Can you see that? To put your finger and your thumb through to use as a little hand puppet. We've made so many adorable family memories and lots of laughter in our house. It's a must-have for any parents that are looking for a practical yet affordable and adorable sleep aid for their little one, especially if you're having trouble with those sleepless nights. It's a good way to calm your bundle of joy down.